We had a great turnout at the open house last week. People seemed really excited about the subscription program. We had a lot of questions. I still feel like we probably need to answer a few questions. What do you think?
Yeah, you know, I was amazed how many people showed up and the excitement everybody had about the new build out and everything. And the subscription program, I think one of the things was that people wondered what the purpose of it was.
Right.
And one of the things that I like most about it is that we can spread the payments out over the treatment.
Yep.
What were some of the questions you had?
I think, yeah, absolutely. Like the convenience of not having to pay a large sum of money up front when you're doing a pelleting procedure, which is what we specialize in. And also the perks, we have lots of perks. So we get discounts. We're offering discounts on supplements. We're offering one supplement each month for patients who are part of the subscription program. So we offer DIM with your subscription program. And then what else?
Well, I think the other thing is that it's a limited membership.
Yeah.
So we want to just make sure that the people who are really looking for that type of plan, make sure that they get into it.
Exactly. And with that limited membership, then we're also able to offer special pricing and special events on other services for them. So that's really exciting.
Yes, it really is. People are really excited about the fact that they can take advantage of so many of the things that we offer here.
Exactly. Do you have any questions about our subscription program? If you do, drop us a line, give us a call.